Hey y'all, it's Mary and I have some friend mail from Miss Betty, and this box is super cute. I'm going to cover her address. She's got whales all around this box, all the way around. Cute, cute pictures. And then on the top of this box, she paid a lot of postage for this box, but then there's also these fabulous stamps, and they're from different states, and I'm not sure if these are like collector stamps or but Betty has sent me packages and envelopes before with these kind of stamps on them. Look at how pretty they are from different states. They're just so beautiful. So thank you Betty, it's so pretty. And then this box is, that pink is so pretty. So I did cut it open and let's see what's in there. Oh, it's so cute. She's decorated the inside of the box. It says, deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la la, la la, la 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 la. And there's kitty cats. Oh, that is so cute. Now this box is from a cat place possibly, or an animal place. Look how cute that is. She decorated the inside. And there is a card and some goodies. It says, may all your birthday dreams take flight. Happy birthday. Oh, there's so much on here. It's dated December 8th, and it says, Dear Mary, I'm not sure when your birthday is, but I remember that you are a Sagittarius. Now, I've had this box for a good week, y'all, but it's been a really busy time, and I haven't had a chance to open it, so I do apologize, Miss Betty. I have had it a little while, and also after I film this, it'll be a couple of days before I can get it up because I have so many videos up, you know, with the advent calendars and all. So it says, so maybe I'm late, maybe I'm early, but I wish you a very happy birthday month. I know that you love Korean skincare, so I hope that you also enjoy Korean candy. Oh, rich in calcium. It says, I love that. Okay, she's telling about some things in the box, so let's open it and see. It says, take care, Mary, and enjoy Christmas time. And there's some other things on here. This is a beautiful card. Okay, some information on the back that's meant just for me, and I'm excited to try this. You know, I do like international candy, so this is going to be fun. This is called Milkita, Milky Creamy Candy. So look at that, y'all. It's showing, I think that's a honeydew melon and maybe a banana and mango, and there's calcium in it. So yeah, it's like healthy candy. I'll take it, Miss Betty. Thank you. It says tropical mist. Yeah, banana, honeydew, and mango. Hey, I got it right. So I'm excited about that. I think that there might be on the chewy side, which is my cup of tea. And then there's some other candies in here and some little cute things. Oh my goodness, this adorable. Look at this, y'all. Isn't that not the cutest thing? That says, there's a little card on it, and it says, cat screen cleaner. That is so cute. Okay, so it's soft on this side, and then look at this side, y'all. So you can clean your computer screen or your phone screen or whatever. Isn't that the cutest thing? I think Smudge is liking that, but no, Smudge, I'm going to keep that to clean the screen. And then there is something from ColourPop. Let's see this. Okay, Smudge. Come on. You want to come over? Come over here. You don't have to get in front of the camera. Come over here. You can come over this way. Come on, come on, come on. There is a Super Shock shadow, and this, let me show it to you right quick, and I'll look for the color name. You know, it didn't break. A lot of people say that the Super Shocks break as they travel. Keep the magic in, close jar tightly after use. Okay. Oh, it says on the back, I heart this Super Shock shadow. That's the color. I heart this. So let me open it because I can see that it's something that I'm going to love. Oh, it's pretty. Can you, it's really gold. You know, I might have the camera on too bright. Let me see. Maybe you can see it better that way. It's a gold, but it's gold. You know, the Super Shocks have a lot of glitter in them, which is fabulous. And it's like a milkshake color is a good way to describe it. Now, she does say, Miss Betty says something about it in the card. Okay, it says this is a favorite of hers, and I think it will look great on you. I know that you are always mailing. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. She's talking about the box and stuff. Yes, I love this, I love this, Betty, very, very much. Very, very much. Let me swatch it. It's gorgeous. I don't know that you can see all that glitter, y'all. It's so metallic and fabulous. So let's swatch it. It's you know, the color shocks are soft like butter. Like butter. Look at how gorgeous that is. And then I'll just swatch it right here. Look at that. I love that. Oh, look at it. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Thank you so much, Miss Betty. She's so sweet to send this to me. Think of me. And then she sent me some more candies. So there's 2 more packs. Oh, there's more things in here. Where do you find this cute stuff? Look at how cute. Miss Betty, these are, I would say these are Korean stickers. That's what the language looks like. How cute are they? Can you see their, these are all little baby kitties. And they're drinking their milk and they're having their bottles. How cute is that? And it's Coronia, assorted sheet stickers. And it does look like Korean writing on there. And these are kittens as well. And they are dressed up and they're napping. They look like they're all napping. And they're in the box, of course. Cats are always in a box. And look at these precious things. These are called flake stickers, F-L-A-K-E. I'm not sure what that means, but it says there's 48 in there. Let's see what those are about. Flake stickers. They're individual kind of stickers. They're super cute. Okay, let's see. It's nicely packaged. And then here they are. They're between, oh, they're in a little bag also. The packaging is super cute. Super cute. Okay, I can't get it open. All right, I'm gonna have to use the scissor to cut the little bag. Oops. Don't wanna break my Super Shock. I love that Super Shock. Look at these. Oh my goodness, are they adorable? They are stickers. They're on like a plastic is on one side and then the sticker itself. So these are some of the stickers. These Motimaru. These are some of the stickers here. Aren't they adorable? There's different ones. Ooh, they are so cute. This one has little paws on it. I don't know if you can see them very well because they're sort of like see-through. So when I hold them up, they're sort of see-through. How cute. Oh, these are just adorable. Look at how cute these are. Whoops, you'll be seeing them on packages. And that's what Miss Betty says. You can use these to decorate. I am loving that. Loving that, loving that. I have to close it up because I'm afraid I don't want smudges eyeing me. And now there's more candy. This is Milkita. This is the same brand, and it's milky, creamy candy. And this is vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry Neapolitan mix. I love Neapolitan ice cream. Look at how much fun is that, y'all. And then this one is a little bit different. This is called, oh, Softy Claire. And I can't, Fujiya. This was established since 1971. It says up here, Fujiya. And then, you know, I can't read that, y'all. But that says that it is Soft Eclair. Yum, yum. Oh, are you kidding? I love candy. But look at, I love this. I love this packaging. It's so pretty. I love their characters. Their alphabetical characters are so pretty. So pretty. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my goodness, this is so cute and adorable and I love it. Thank you so, so much. Miss Betty, you're just a sweetheart. Just a sweetheart. Look at that. I love it. And this I will be wearing. I'll be wearing often and I could even put it on now. It's beautiful. I mean, if y'all have never tried Color Shock before, it's so buttery. It's so buttery. Just put it right on me. Beautiful. I love it. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Miss Betty. Thank you. Thank you all for stopping by and seeing my fun friend mail. I love it. I love it, Miss Betty. Thank you. Thank y'all and count your blessings. Love y'all. Bye-bye.